Hey guys, welcome back to my show. Today we're gonna make some mini pancake cereal. So I saw this all over TikTok and I really wanted to do it and make it for breakfast, but today I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Everything that we'll be using would be in the description below. So now you should like and subscribe. So now let's get started. So now let's mix it all together. So the ingredients that you will need are very simple. All you'll need is your pancake mix. You guys can follow the recipe shown on the box. So now we're gonna get to the harder part. So what you'll need for this part is a plastic bag. You guys can also use a piping bag if you have one, but I don't. Pour your mix into the bag. You're going to cut the tiniest hole on your piping or plastic bag. So now that your pan is about on medium heat, you can start piping, and you kind of want the size of a nickel. It's okay if it's not a perfect circle. Make sure that your batter isn't too watery or it's going to drip into the sides and you don't want it to leave a trail. Now that you guys have all your pancakes out, you can put it in a bowl and then you can start putting any kind of toppings you want. But I'm just putting strawberries, caramel, some sprinkles, and whipped cream. But you guys can use anything you want or just simple syrup. And once you're done, now enjoy. Now let's taste test. I gotta get some pancake and some whipped cream, some strawberries, some sprinkles. Da da da. Very good. Thank you for watching another one of my shows. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss another one of these. Bye!